Welcome to YTP TV. I'm Madison. This is Naomi and Bear, and today I'm going to be teaching them Aeroplane. So Aeroplane helps with calming, focus, and patience. So what I just did there was, so I put the treat in front of his nose, and then I took it away because he tried sniffing it, and then I put it back, and then I took it away until he stopped trying to go for the treat.
Excellent. Okay, I'll have a go. Good boy. Well done. Good boy, Bear.
That was really good.
Thank you so much. That was brilliant. I like the way he was going for it, and he's eventually learned I've got to wait for it. It's great.
Thank you, Naomi
Thank you.
and Bear.